Another question from our social media platforms. This gentleman here had a couple of FUE procedures and he looks like he's been over harvested a little bit. So he's asking his options. Well, that's it can be tough to answer that. First of all, of course, I'm not seeing this gentleman. I'm not combing through his hair to see, but by the picture that he showed here, there seems to be some areas where maybe some over harvesting is being done. FUE procedures are, unlike people make you believe, they are actually they can be very dangerous, because one of the problems with FUE is that if you take too many hairs from any given area, if you do a session that's too big, you can actually harvest more hairs than you should have, and then you end up with streaky and patchy areas in the donor zone. I can tell you, no one likes that. It's no matter the good result that's here, no one likes to have patchy donor zones. So options for over harvested areas are very few in general. Again, I'm not seeing him, so I don't know the specific situation, but you're looking at not making the situation any worse. So probably taking any more hair from the donor, not a good option. You can disguise some of this scarring and maybe make the donor area look a little better if you do some micropigmentation or some SMP in the scars to camouflage these lighter areas. And you may have a good option for cloning hairs or banking hairs. So we are going to release more information on that soon here. So stay tuned in our channel, in our YouTube channel, in our website. There's going to be a lot more things coming up on the hair cloning. Basically, with the hair clone, you take a few hairs and then you reproduce the cells and then you reinsert the cells. You're not cloning actual hair follicles, but you're making copies of the cells of the hair from the donor zone. So that could be a good option. I don't know, for some situations. So stay tuned. Come in for a consultation and we'll discuss your particular options. Thanks.